Hello guys, and welcome back to the English Machine. Today we will be trying to guess farm animals in the time limit. Have fun, everyone! What is it? It's a turkey. What is it? It's a goose. What is it? It's a duck. What is it? It's a donkey. What is it? It's a llama. What is it? It's a rabbit. What is it? It's a goat. What is it? It's a sheep. What is it? It's a pig. What is it? It's a horse. What is it? It's a cow. What is it? It's a chicken. What is it? It's a rooster. What is it? It's a hen. What is it? It's a cat. What is it? It's a dog. What is it? It's a duckling. What is it? It's a calf. What is it? It's a lamb. What is it? It's a piglet. If you enjoyed this, please like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.